Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa potato. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need potatoes, ripe tomatoes, onions, and fresh cilantro. Don't forget essential spices like cumin, chili powder, and a good pinch of salt. Also, have your cutting board, a sharp knife, and a large skillet ready to go. Getting organized makes cooking much smoother. Now, let's get those potatoes ready. Start by washing and peeling about 2 pounds of russet or Yukon Gold potatoes thoroughly. Next, cut them into small, uniform 1/2-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Finally, boil these potato cubes in salted water until they are tender crisp, which usually takes around 8 minutes. Drain them well and set aside. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. On another note, make meal prep super easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for storing your salsa potato. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up, the heart of our dish, the salsa. Finely dice 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1 jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Combine all these vibrant ingredients with a tablespoon of fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt for amazing flavor. Now for the exciting part, bringing everything together. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your pre-cooked potato cubes and sauté them until they are lightly golden and wonderfully crispy. Then, stir in your freshly made salsa mixture. Cook this delightful combination for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those incredible flavors to blend beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.